It's a weekly recap day in Master Azerbaijani. Let's see what we learned. We learned difficult, hard, challenging for Çətin. We learned Yaxşı is go-to for everything good, well, fine, okay, all right. We learned Necə, same, how, in what way, in what condition, how about. We learned piss, not that. It means bad, nasty, sick. We learned Maraqlı, intriguing, interesting, engaging. We learned Ela for excellent, great, awesome. And, of course, Senor, when you're trying to convince someone something that means literally you die, but it actually means I swear seriously, believe me. And there's also Menor version of it because Senor is you die, and there's another version Menor Menolum I die. All right, ready for it? Yes, you are ready for it. There's the dad joke uses. Piss girl didn't help me out with my homework. My phone is at 5%. Necə to survive the day. Maraqlı things bound to happen if you're curious enough, and I believe in this. He drops Senol all the time when he's trying to convince you, like a coupon code for truth. There's nothing Çətin, only impossible that takes a little time. Are you ready for a little quiz? Which word also means sick? Drop in the comments below if you know. Don't worry about the letters that you don't have in your keyboard. Just type in something close. We are starting a brand new fresh 7 words next week. Every single day we'll be learning them. Make sure to come back because consistency is fluency. If you stay consistent, you will learn more and more. But that's not the only way of learning more and more. Make sure to check masterazerbaijani.com if you are interested and serious in learning Azerbaijani faster, more efficient, and fun ways. I'll see you tomorrow for a new set of words. Cheers.